Apt-cache, how to list all installed packages with version number. Apt-cache dump install doesn't work, it lists uninstalled packages as well. I want to list the installed packages each by one line, with the installed version number.
Try dpkg-l. It lists you the packages, version and a short description.
The simplest way is using dpkg, but it might show a few extraneous packages and it truncates long package names and version numbers. To list only correctly installed packages and not truncate names. To get more control over the output format, you can use dpkg query.
To list the names of each installed package, type as any user. You will get an output like this. To remove the unnecessary install character string, you can use sed. And if you want to save it to a file called installed packages, you type this.
Other command can be. It also gives you info about the package state, up-to-date, upgradable, and about the origin distribution, WYSI, JC. One can easily filter out packages which came from backports or other exotic repositories. This program is packaged separately. Install it fast with